It's like when I was a kid.
Yeah, same. I had a Ford Laser.
Yeah, same. How many Ks is it done?
120.
And they're just random, or are they cars you want?
They're just random.
Cars and Coffee Taranaki, we had to check it out. The weather was amazing. We've got an S13 Silvia. Oh, it's so good. An NA MX-5, an 84 Mazda Familia, a Golf I didn't know existed. Oh, check it out. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. So good.
Like our new car?
Actual?
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Yes. Perfection is what it is. Is it factory manual as well?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Pretty cool.
Oh, hell yes. And SR, of course, eh? Yeah. Yeah. KS and the boot latch. So I knew it was 2-litre turbo. Wow. Far out. So this is yours? Yay.
Are you want to buy a Safira?
No. Remember our conversations about Safiros versus these? Remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
But how Safira's a very good car.
That's how this was so easy to buy.
No, yeah, these always make sense. Yeah, N+1, remember, that's the formula. Yeah. How many Ks is it done? Far out, I didn't think these existed. No. Wow.
That room's really tiny and nice.
This is like about my dream car, really. This is about perfection, man. Genuinely, like.
Just needs a little bit more.
It does need a little, yeah, it does.
We'll get the super lows on that.
And don't get me wrong, I'm a sucker for an RB swap on one of these, but when you've got a manual KS, you can't.
You can't.
No. It's just
Emma's always said, oh, what's out there? And I was like,
not in a manual KS. No way.
I said to her, look, like, just
No.
feel it out and see
Yep.
what you think. And then I said, we're not touching it.
No, and we're
And
not.
she got in and she's like, no, this
And we're not 20 anymore.
Nah.
You know what I mean? It's a street car. It's, oh man, it's so cool. I was just perving and then you guys were like, oh yeah. I was like, nah, fuck off. Oh,
Bro, if you want, you gotta see underneath.
oh. I just have to see inside it though. Oh. They're just so right.
Yeah. Best part about it,
Yep.
even better than everything else, is that it's complete.
It's really funny how you,
Just having something completely
how you
nice.
young guys, I say, because Guy at Choice Files was the same as well, and I was like, oh, see, to me that's normal because they always were when we had them.
Yeah.
Well, I lost this when I owned my one.
Yeah,
That's how
like,
much of a
It
shithead I
annoys
was.
me that all the clips are gone now. So
Oh,
it's
the
like,
clip
I'm
guy.
gonna get all the clips.
You know, the clip guy, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Maybe 220 Ks on that one. And boy, did I.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, man.
Some factory goodness for you.
Mmm. Man, you just don't see them, eh? They're all wrecked. It's even got the heat shield on it.
Yeah.
Wow, man, I'm super impressed. Jealous for one of the very few times ever, but super impressed.
But we've always said that if anything like this came up, it would be.
Well, we drove past it on the way in, and I said to my son, I was like, that's about the perfect car right there. I didn't even click to the plate. I should have.
There was another person looking at this.
Yep.
And I said to the guy, I was like, we will come up in the weekend, we'll have cash ready to go.
Yep.
He's like, oh, yep, sweet. Well, they're still on the hook, so
Fair.
just let
Yep.
us know. Like, sweet. So we turned up, yep, done.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah.
Drove it home.
Flew up.
Fuck, that would have been a nice drive.
It was fucking cool, man. like the smile on Emma's face on the way home was
Yeah.
pretty sick.
Yeah.
We were just laughing the whole time because it didn't seem real at the time. We were just fucking cracking up.
Yeah.
Like,
I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
Do we
'Cause-
actually do this?
Yeah,
or
because
what?
yeah. I know what you mean. Because like I said, it's fuck. As I walked up to it, I was like, fuck, that's clean. And then I went, oh, it's a KS. Wow. And then I went, shit, it's a 2-litre. Fuck me. And then I saw the gear stick and went, ah. And then Emma got distracted me. Oh, okay, I better go look at other cars as well.
Can't spend money.
33. No, 33? Yeah. 83. That's cool. Is this like an 83? 84. Damn it. I was trying to pick it because it looks funny. Is it an import or something?
Would
It's
have
got-
been, yeah.
it's
It's
got
got
like
Series
a-
2, it's got the bigger bumpers.
Is that what it is? I was trying to pick what was like wrong with it, you know, why it looks strange.
I think it's like the GT, they had the turbo.
Yeah, yeah,
It
yeah.
hasn't got the turbo.
Yep. Just a
It's got the
1.5 litre.
sunroof. A lot of them
Yeah,
didn't have
yeah,
sunroof.
yeah. Just the interior with all the wraparound little armrests in the back
Chrome
and
on it, eh?
oh man.
Chrome around.
Yeah, it's like when I was a kid.
Yeah, same. I had a Ford Laser.
Yeah, same.
I bought this for the kids to learn to drive in. And,
My first car was an 85 Ford Laser gear,
oh, yeah.
and it was fancy because it had central locking because it was the gear,
Yeah.
and the alloy wheels,
Yeah.
and that was it.
Yeah.
But oh, I just liked them, eh?
Yeah. Now I'm second owner.
Wow.
Old couple. I got it when it done 86,000 K. And my kids learned to drive in it, and now it's up to 128,000 K. And it's
Nice.
just parked out in the back barn. Thought I'd bring it out today instead of my Skyline and my Holden.
I really, really like it, man. Yeah, the front looks strange to me, eh? But it must be that bumper,
Oh, the bigger bumpers.
Yeah.
They're Series 2, 83 and 84 was
Yep.
Series 2.
which I think over here we then got the way more of the Fords,
Yeah.
so we didn't get those bumpers at all.
Yeah, yeah. And the tail lights are different too.
Yeah, they
So-
picked them with the things in them. I was trying to figure out if it was a South African one or something strange, but yeah, just
Oh, yeah, it could have been jacked in for.
late model Mazda. Cool. That's rad, man.
Yeah, it's just like I say, it's just sitting there, so I'd sell it and swap it.
Cool, man. Have a good day. Yeah. That's what really got my attention. I was like, right, because at first I was like, GTE. Okay, is it a GTI but without the turbo? Like, is it the economy version? And they've gone, oh yeah, we'll make it look nice and get all the. Never seen it. Never seen it.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, the GTD, GTI, and GTE. I can't remember the specs on the GTD, but it's similar to.
It's obviously the diesel, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's probably packing heaps of torque. It's just not as quick.
Which, you know, when you've got front wheels spinning, what you want is lots and lots of torque.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I've got heaps of ability to just spin the front wheels.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I'm like, fuck. I mean, if I tune it, it's already spinning the front wheels in first and second, and if I'm rolling in third and fourth and fifth. So, and I've just put expensive tyres on and still doing it. It's just going to break away.
So if it's already breaking traction, logic would say that you should
Don't
make
need
it
to
break
tune it.
more traction.
Yeah, exactly.
Tuner logic, right?
Tune logic.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is cool.
I didn't know that existed.
Yeah.
How many horsepower? 300?
Factories total combines meant to be 254, but they don't let you have some of it, so it's 204 when it's in combined mode. But it's just a GTI with an electric engine strapped to the ass of it.
Cool, man. Thank you. That's rad.
You can make. Is it matte?
Oh, before they had them down. When we came earlier.
The headlights.
Yeah.
Cool. Hello. Oh, that guy, Tom.
Yeah, that guy.
I put them up specially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you do the lazy?
No.
No. I
They're
thought
they're too new and they work really well, so they only go up and out.
because wasn't there a trick? There's like a
If you
do
press
it.
them,
Yeah.
then they go out of sync.
Ryan.
Mine are too new.
Okay. Right. Cool.
Too low Ks.
Yeah, I get it. Mean. So what year is it? Wow, it's a late model one. Far out. Last NAs, yeah. When did it come here? 01. Cool. Yeah, buzzy. You know, I like the NAs, eh? I do.
So, because you can flippy up either lights,
Yeah.
that's the main thing.
My NC is still my favourite, but only because I'm an old man and they're a good cruiser.
Yeah.
But these look cooler.
Have you seen my pin collection on my dash mat?
No. Oh, cool. That's neat. And they're just random, or are they cars you want?
They're just random. Well, ones I like, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mean. I like it. Look at this fancy guy. Ah, a new daily. It looks a bit more reliable.
I wish it was mine.
Yeah.
This is my brother-in-law's car.
FK8?
Yeah, it's fun. It's a hooligan.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah. Is it the growing up one? It is, eh? Yeah. It's the later model one.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, where they...
He bought it in December and then went to the UK, so I've got to take it out for him every few weeks.
Oh,
You know,
damn.
It's
Damn.
terrible.
Oh, it is tough.
It's hard.
Gosh, it looks good in that colour too.
Yeah, it's so much fun. It is as old school as you can get from one car, I reckon.
Oh, it's still got that mechanical feel to it.
It's still, yeah, it's got a really good gear shift. It still torque steers a bit. It scrabbles for grip. In the
Oh,
third gear.
cool.
It's
Cool. Oh, man. Yay. And the triple exhaust. Oh, I love it.